Hello students, I am back. Class 5, Subject EVS, Chapter number 15. Chapter name Fuel for Travel. Topic Minerals. Today we will start the topic minerals and will be continue as or the next topic. Minerals are substances that are found deep below the earth's surface. Minerals, these substances found inside the earth, below the earth's surface and also below the surface of the oceans and seas. It is found inside the earth's side. Big holes or shafts are dug to take out these minerals. When we want to take these minerals out, we have to dug out the big holes or the wells from which we get these things. We can obtain many metals from the minerals. By these minerals, we are getting the metals. Minerals from which metals are obtained are called ores. A particular type of metal is found by the particular type of minerals. And that minerals from which we get the metals, that mineral is known as ores. Iron, manganese, mica, copper, zinc, aluminium, gold and silver are metals. These are the metals and we are getting these metals from the ores which is in the form of minerals. Renewable sources of energy. Some forms of energy are renewable. They are also called alternative fuels. In this chapter, in starting few topics we talk about the renewable sources. Renewable sources that be converted, that be regenerated. So these are known as the also alternative fuels because we can use it at the source of energy also. They cause less pollution than fossil fuels. They are also called clean sources of energy. These type of sources that are in the category of alternative fuels. These alternative fuels do the less pollution than the fossil fuels. When we talk about the fossil fuel, we thought that the fossil fuels do the lot of pollution. So alternative fuels are doing the less pollution than the fossil fuels. So they are also called the clean sources of energy because they are doing the less pollution. Solar energy. Solar energy means using the natural heat and light of the sun as an energy source. Solar energy means the natural heat which we are getting from the sun. And when we use that heat and light as in the source of energy, that is the solar energy. We use solar panels to harness solar energy. To convert this sunlight in the form of energy, we use the solar panels. Solar panels help us to convert the sunlight in the form of electricity. It converts it in the electricity and we use it in our houses. Many places where the heat is too much, the sunlight is being formed more. In that case, mainly the solar panels are in regular use. Tesla roofs with solar panels are very popular in many Western countries. At present time, in the Western countries, the Tesla roofs that are included with the solar panels that are being very popular. Because with the help of these solar panels, they can use it in the form of energy. Wind energy. Moving air or wind can be transformed into electrical energy by using windmills or turbines in wind farms. In wind farms, using the windmills or turbines, we can use the moving air as in the form of electrical energy. Moving air can be changed in the form of electricity and we can use it. And it can be possible with the help of windmills or turbines. Windmills and turbines are very big fans which making the air in the form of wind energy and it converts it into the electricity. Hydroelectric power. Hydroelectricity is produced by the force of falling water in dams. Hydroelectric power. When the electricity makes by the force of the water, that is the hydroelectricity. And this hydroelectricity be used by the water that get fall into the dams. By the falling water in the dams, we get the force from the water and converts it into the electricity. Electricity is used to provide power to batteries that run the motors in electric vehicles. All of you know that batteries help us to give the electricity, and these batteries also get powered, charged by the electricity. So electricity is also the option of at the place of fuels. We can use it as an alternative fuels. So these are the points which we talked today, and with these points this chapter is now finished. In next class we will start the new chapter. Thank you.